Hello guys, welcome to my channel. That way is Nizamabad. There you can see poles are erected on platforms. Actually the poles are erected 15 days ago, but today I am showing you. On platform 1 the poles are erected, but on platform 2 few are left to erect. That way is Lingampet Jagityal. Now I am on platform number 1. First they will erect pole and then they will do muffing. This is called muffing. Please follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description.
Here we go.
This is wiring rake. Those who didn't watch wiring video, please watch the wiring video. The link is in the description. That way is Lingampet Jagityal. That said, the brackets are attached. The electrification will complete till Morthat by December 2020. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.